साइड करो सेल मारने का बाद हम लोग का देखो हम लोग को पूरा इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया हुआ है बिना सेल बिना साइन मत भेजो साइड करो तो साइड करके मंगवाओ ना क्या मालूम है
Dimapur and Chumukatima have been witnessing torrential rainfall in the last 24 hours. In fact, very much storm-like. And right now, the trucks are coming in. But then how safe is it even for these heavy motor vehicles to ply on this road, especially in that Paglapahar region where on the night of September 3rd going into 4th, the whole road was washed away on the right side, the valley side of the road. Where it was washed away completely. Apparently around 90 meters in length was washed away, as well as one excavator which had fell into the river as well. And also yesterday, that is September 10th, a major rockfall had occurred in the afternoon as well over here, where both sides, the valley side as well as the hillside, was blocked by a very huge boulder, and but then again the NHIDCL had cleared it out and temporarily allowed vehicles to ply. Now it was shut yesterday from 6 o'clock due to the weather as well. We have also gotten information that the top brass officials of the central ministry, such as the Ministry of Home Affairs and many other Ministry of Rural Development, a team had arrived in Nagaland to inspect this situation. Now it is called the Interministerial Central Team, the IMCT, and they were here. Apparently 5 of them had come from the central ministry, and they included the joint secretary from the Ministry of Home Affairs, the assistant director from the Ministry of Rural Development, the superintending engineer of the Ministry of Jal Shakti CWC, the superintending engineer of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, as well as the section officer, Department of Expenditure, Ministry of Finance. Now they were accompanied by the DC Chumukatima as well as officials from the National Highway PWD. Yesterday where they inspected, we have not gotten word as to what they have reported or inspected exactly, but now this is the latest update that trucks will also be stopped. The heavy vehicles will be stopped at 7 p.m. according to the notification from authorities. As we can see, the trucks behind me are coming through. So that means they have been allowed from the other side. Now, this is a turn-by-turn basis. The heavy vehicles going up will go after this turn-by-turn basis. Now we can see all the army trucks coming in as well as buses. They were stopped on the other side where, popularly known as Paglapahar, where the road has been washed away. And just yesterday in the afternoon, a big rockfall had occurred, a major rockfall had occurred on both sides of the road where they had covered, and no transportation was allowed yesterday after the rockfall. But now again from the other side they have been allowed. Now the police, the traffic police here is communicating with the traffic police on the other side, and they are taking turns and sending several heavy vehicles turn by turn. Now this is the 27th heavy vehicle that is passing through, 27th, so at least 30 to 35 will be passing through, and we can see the traffic police here noting down the number of trucks behind me, how many trucks are coming through from the Kohima direction going towards the Newland Road. They're all going beyond Nagaland as of now, and they have been halted after Pagla Pahar, and since light motor vehicles are only allowed from the New Chupmukdima route and not from the main highway, light motor vehicles are not allowed to ply anytime soon on this highway except heavy motor vehicles. Now, as we can see that this side, the Chatti River Bridge side going up to Kohima has been released. The heavy motor vehicles are now released. Now, as we have seen earlier, the trucks all came in from the other side. Now, we're not really sure right now what the numbers are and how many numbers they're allowing, but then we can see that they're communicating with each other. But another big issue is also the network issue at the Pagla Pahar area, where it is very difficult for them to communicate as well with their colleagues, the traffic police on the other side. But they're managing right now. We just have to wait and see, especially what the central team that came yesterday, officials from the ministry of various departments had come here and inspected. We just have to wait for their report as well. Dimapur bro, আপনি কোথায় আছে এটা?
Kohima যাচ্ছে
কইমা তো আপনি তো রাস্তা তো জানেন না এদু বন আছে কই না
উপর তো ফিনিশে হলিবি নি যা পারে গপরা
নাই অলরেডি এনেকা ইমান ডেঞ্জাৰ জোন দে আছে এটা তো এনা তো আপনি খান আলাগ রাস্তা বৰা তো যাওলে লাগিব এটা আছে না না নাবি এনেকা জানি আছে তো পিছি বিয়া হইনা আছে মানুহ মৰিছে না